In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Webull account. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to expand your trading platforms or a beginner eager to dive into the world of stock trading, setting up an account on Webull is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you get started without a hitch. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webull website. You can do this by typing in webull.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on Webull's homepage, which is full of helpful resources and insights about the stock market. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the website. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll begin your account creation process. Clicking Sign Up will direct you to a page where you can start entering your details. For the next step, you'll need to sign up using your phone number. This is a standard procedure for most modern platforms as it helps with security and ensures you have easy access to your account. Enter your phone number in the designated field. After you've done that, be on the lookout for a verification code. Webull will send this code to you via text message, so keep your phone handy. Once you've received the verification code, enter it into the appropriate field on the website. This step is crucial as it confirms your phone number and ties it to your new account. It's a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security to your trading activities. After successfully verifying your phone number, you'll be prompted to follow additional instructions to continue setting up your account. These prompts will guide you through providing necessary personal details such as your name, email address, and possibly some financial information depending on the account type you choose. Take your time with this step, ensuring all the information is accurate. It's essential for both your security and the smooth operation of your account. Once you've filled out all the required fields, follow the prompts to finalize your account setup. And there you have it. Your Webull account is now ready to use. You can now explore the platform, familiarize yourself with its features, and start trading. Remember, Webull offers a range of educational resources, so take advantage of them to enhance your trading knowledge and skills. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process of opening a Webull account clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Webull's support options. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.